Hello guys, I hope you enjoy your life. Let's try to create this presentation. At first we need to add a new slide. Let me just add a new slide. I downloaded a picture background. You can add it by formatting background and give it from here, insert or the clipboard, whichever you want. And then for the main slide, I just simply create two black boxes. You see there are two black boxes that I created. How I just let me show you how I create that pictures. I just simply go to format picture and just let the picture correction to -100 and the brightness to -50. Then I go to crop to shape and then crop to reduce it in size, reduce more. Now you see this black box has been created. I create them like this. Okay, this text also use overdrive sunset and the format we have here. See? Okay, now we need to create the effect, this effect. How we create them? It's really easy. We need to create rectangles in that size. You see the size of them in different sizes, but all in the black fill. Let me just select 3 of them to copy them faster. And then, okay, I click on some thing that I mustn't click. And then we just need to bring this Athens to up. But before doing that, let's delete the Athens we have here. Now, we need to copy that things. Let me just move them out. The distance is too important for us to make the effects happen. If the distance is not created well, the effect is not going to look something special. The specialty of this effect is the space. And then reduce it in size and put it up. Then set the transition to morph. Now let's run it. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and go to my channel. You'll find over 700 of this kind of templates you can use. Until the time has come, don't forget to like and subscribe and have a